Welcome, welcome, welcome. So this will be a quick chat video. Okay. Let's see how many traders are online. Let's see. Who is watching? Please let me know. Hello, bro. Hello, I'm Kumar. Hello, bro. From afternoon today in our area, electricity issue, bro. Sad. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Who else is watching? So this will be a quick chat video, chat live stream. Okay. And we will have a recap. All right, all right. So who else is watching? I hope you captured this move. I hope you've captured this move. Beautiful selling, man. Beautiful selling. How many pips? How many pips? 630 pips. 630 pips. Let's consider 600 pips. And still we are in profit. 340 pips. Who else is watching? Please let me know in the comment section. Late night also many people are awake. Come on, traders, comment who else is watching. So you see, traders, tomorrow. Radhe Radhe, welcome to our stream, brother. Hello, hello. So traders, as you can see today March 25 and tomorrow March 26th. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay. So tomorrow March 26th. So you can see 1:40 a.m. we have FOMC member speech, and 4:50 a.m. early morning Asian session we have President Donald Trump speech, and in the before the US session, the evening, we have unemployment claims. Anyone who took this entry? Hello, bro. Thanks. I took 500 pips from your suggested signals. 458524535. Oh my God. You made my day, bro. Very good. Very good. Beautiful. Beautiful. You made my day, bro. Now I can sleep peacefully. And M. Kumar, when you are aligned with the market structure, so don't miss the moves. Only 20% risk. So why if you fair is you don't fair to take you see trades. Okay, so you execute your position when your risk reward is perfect, you execute your position. Okay, so you can book 1:3, 1:3 minimum. You can book 1:2, and the same profits you risk in your next trade. Understood? Possible tomorrow 4100. Yeah, bro. Market can fall, but you see, we are following this structure. Okay, let me show you over here. So we are following this structure. Okay, so this is our change of character now. So let's see if market can break this. Okay, or else what market can do is we have Fibonacci levels over here. Okay, market can tap into those levels and market can go bullish. Okay, if we are breaking this, then after the breakout, a retracement, then we will be sitting in sell position. Okay, until this level 4200, 4100. Okay, let's have a look at the headlines. Six to daily gains below 4600. Yeah, because we have we have a resistance. Electricity was not there. I also missed this. I am happy that someone took the trade. Arunav Das, congratulations, brother. So Arunav Das, now what you do is you plan your trades with the same profits. Okay, so your next trade will be with same profits. You don't touch your capital. Okay, so you risk your profits. Don't just withdraw directly. Okay, so withdrawal must be weekly and monthly. Any doubts, any queries? So this session is for if you have any doubt and queries, this is just a quick chit chat session. Okay, any doubts, any queries? Who else is watching? 5 people are watching. Let's go. Who else is watching? Who else is watching? Comment, please comment. Who else is watching? It didn't touch 38% level also. Okay. So I told you traders today there will be a lot of manipulations. If you check out my previous stream, I've already explained you, right? So there will be a lot of manipulations up, down, but still we were profitable. Anyone else who took the trade? Anyone else? Yes, bro. Yes, bro. You can definitely contribute. So those who are contributing, make sure you keep the screenshots. Okay, and you can send it to me on Telegram. So in future, I'll be providing you mentorship absolutely free, only for those serious people who are contributing. Okay. You'll be getting my private mentorship and my private assistance. Okay. For the whole market structure, engulfing each and everything, volume. There's a lot of things. You see, there's a lot of things, each and everything. And also, I'll stay in touch with you. And also, you don't have to contribute much. You can start contributing $1, $2 minimum. Okay. I don't need your money from, I mean, I know I don't need your hard-earned money. I mean, your own capital. So first you make profits, then you send me. You take your time, okay? So you take your time, 1 week, 2 week, take your time, you earn profits, and then you can contribute. Okay, so we are planning to buy the software. So once we buy the software, our analysis will be super accurate. You see, already our analysis is accurate. Okay, so once we have that extra confluence, then no one can stop us. No problem, even if we have 10 to 20 members, no problem at all. Okay, but I want to build a community. Till this trend line is valid. Okay, so we can always adjust this trend line according to the price. Trend line is wrong, bro. Just a moment. Okay, so this is the actual trend line. So we can always adjust the trend line. Okay, I already knew this market will be sideways and manipulating. Okay, because you see, tomorrow we have news event already. Today you see 26 March already started. Okay, 26 March already started. So we have FOMC member speech, we have President Trump speech, we have unemployment claims, okay, and natural gas storage. Okay, and I hope you are also paying attention towards learning. Okay, any doubts, any queries? So this is a quick chit chat session, nothing else. Okay, Aruna, you messaged me. Okay, Aruna, you're from Bangladesh, right? If I'm not wrong. This is watching. Doubts, any queries? So we will be ending this stream. Okay, I'm CP. We can see it's already 12 a.m. So tomorrow's day will be interesting. Okay. So tomorrow from Asian session itself, there will be volatility. We see traders tomorrow early morning, Asian session itself, there will be volatility. So President Donald Trump's speech, so volatility will be injected. Believe me, big volatility. So first contribution is from Arunav Das. AKPK, welcome to our stream, brother. Hello. So first contribution is from Arunav Das. And those who are contributing, make sure you keep the screenshots with you. Okay. So you can always send it to me. So I'll keep a note of it. Okay. So though only serious members, only this community will be consisting of only serious members. More time passes. Also, I was not able to explain you the strategy. Once you understand the strategy, then you'll come to know what is real trading. Okay, it's not a strategy for trading, it's a strategy for entries, risk management, how you can compound your money in a more efficient way. Okay, with the lowest possible, lowest capital possible, with the lowest minimum capital. How you can compound your money 100x, 200x, minimum 10x. No, you didn't miss anything, bro. This is just a chit chat session. Okay, so I was not live in the US session. Just chit chat session, nothing else. How was your day, brother? AK. I hope you're doing good. And I hope you captured some sell moves. Manipulation, brother. Manipulation. You see, manipulations. Manipulations. Today, all the retailers, they are in loss. I guarantee. If you followed my analysis, then you might be in profit, but rest, maximum people, they've made losses. Oh, no problem, no problem, bro. Next time, don't miss. If market structure is if market structure is accurate, then don't miss, brother. Das has contributed $10. Okay. Arunav Das has contributed $10. So thank you so much, Arunav Das, for your contribution. So make sure you keep all the screenshots with you. Das, you don't have to donate us $10. Okay. So you can donate us $1, $2, but it's up to you. Okay. So if you're making big profits, then it's up to you. Simple, bro. Simple. You see in the Telegram channel, I shared the signal with you. Okay, so you can see over here. I shared the signal with you. Also, I gave you this trend line. Okay, so after this trend line, you can also buy, and from this level, you can sell. Very simple. Or else you can simply sell. See, this was the trend line. Okay, so this was the trend line, I guess, from here. Okay, like this. After the breakout, we got a move, tap into our level, and beautiful momentum. Okay, so Arunav Das has contributed $10. Arunav Das contributed $10. So thank you so much for your contribution, Arunav Das. So now officially you are a part of our community. Okay, and you keep all the screenshots with you. Hey, brother. Any doubts, any queries? I got confused on chart. How you got confused on chart, bro? How you got confused on chart? I literally drew this level in the live stream in front of you. How you can get confused? You can always check the prices with the candles. Who else is watching? Any doubts, any queries? Yeah, daily streaming, bro. We do daily streaming. Make sure you join our Telegram channel and join our daily stream. Okay, so each and everything is for free. So we are working as a community. Any doubts, any queries? So tomorrow I won't be able to cover the Asian session, because you see tomorrow Asian session is very important. Tomorrow, I mean today itself, now it's 26th, not tomorrow. You see it's already 12:17 a.m. So 1:40 a.m. FOMC member speech, and 4:50 a.m. President Trump speech. Okay, so 4:30 a.m. Asian market opening time, and you see just after the Asian opening, within 20 minutes we have President Trump's speech. Okay, so market will be volatile from the Asian session itself. Okay, so from last 1 year you have joined. Okay, got it. No problem, bro. Now we are streaming regularly. Okay, so now I'm working. Now I have a team. So my team members will be helping me with the fundamentals, each and everything, and I will be focusing on analysis only. Okay, any doubts, any queries? Who else is watching? M. Kumar, Arunav Das, AK, and Radhe Radhe. Four people are watching. So who else is watching? Please let me know in the comment section. And traders, you see, Arunav Das has contributed $10. So it's the first contribution by Arunav Das. So Arunav Das, thank you so much once again. So officially, you're a part of our community. Okay, so make sure you keep all the screenshots with you. So those who are contributing, so I'll be providing private mentorship for those people. Okay. Who else is watching? Arunav Das, you're from Bangladesh, right? Sure, bro. Sure. Radhe Radhe. Sure, bro. Keep learning, keep earning. Okay. Just follow the plan. Just follow the plan. When risk reward is good, so you always trade. You don't miss those trades. When the risk reward is not good, and you don't try to trade. Always skip those trades. and this risk reward was good, 1:3. But you see, our target was 1:4. Okay, but minimum 1:3 is also good. Yeah, I got it. No, brother, you can't buy now. No buy, no sell now. We only work according to our plan. We only work according to our plan. Because Aruna Das, last time you mentioned, I remember it. Mentioned you're from Bangladesh. Congratulations on your profits, brother. And thank you once again for your contribution. Okay, what else? Anyone else? Anyone else who took this entry? Anyone else who took this entry? No one? Okay, Aruna Das only is the person, is the only person who took the entry. I also missed this entry. Okay, I also missed this. As soon as I ended the stream, I mean our afternoon stream, my mobile was switched off. Otherwise, I would have executed this entry. Yes, bro, I'll do it. I'll be placing limit orders, and yeah, in few days I'll be covering from Asian session itself, from Asian to US session, from Asian to US session. I'll be covering Asian to US session. So what I'm gonna do is, see, what I'm gonna do is, our streaming will be active from Asian to London US session. Okay, our streaming will be active from Asian to US session. If there is a signal, if there is a signal, if there is a possible entry or any signal, so what I'll be doing is I'll be updating you in the Telegram. Okay, so you can quickly join live, and so there is no delay in between. Okay, so there will be no delay. This is our live stream, right? This is our live stream. Okay, consider this as a monitor. Okay, this is a screen. This is my live stream, which will be active from Asian to US session. Okay, Asian to US session. I won't be active the whole day. Whenever there's a signal, so I'll give you a quick update on Telegram, so you guys can join quickly, and so there will be no delay. Okay, so quickly we can all together execute our position. Got it? So this is our plan. So this will be so useful for us. Now you see, bro, now the problem is, you see, already we've executed the entry. Okay, and we have levels below. Okay, so you see we have 50% level, we have 60% level, we have the optimal entry level. Okay, so what happens, brother? You see tomorrow, I mean today itself, 26th, You see, we have FOMC member speech, we have President Trump's speech. Okay, so these two major events are in the Asian session. So we really don't know. Okay, so we really don't know what's going to happen. Okay, so price might hit 50% and then price might go up, or else price might even break this structure. Okay, price might even break this structure. See, price price might even break this structure to hit 4200 level. Okay, so we really don't know. So risking here is not a good idea. Got it? Risking here is not a good idea. Tomorrow I'll be live in the London session. So tomorrow London, Asian, London, US. So all three sessions will be fully volatile. Okay. So yesterday also we were waiting for a bullish move from here. Okay. But what happened? That bullish move was in the Asian session. So same way you see traders now also, price is continuing downwards. So still this trade is active overall. Okay. Hello Namzi, welcome to our stream, brother. What's wrong with my trading view? Okay, it's on battery saver mode. Should I keep it on or off? Let it be. All right, traders. So now it's updated. Namzi, welcome to our stream, brother. Yeah, strategy, bro. You see, today, my area electricity issue. So I was going to explain in the London session, but electricity issue today, unfortunately. Any doubts, any queries? So tomorrow I'll explain you, brother. Tomorrow, London session, I'll explain you each and everything. So Namzi, brother, you executed this trade. Anyone else? Any doubts, any queries? So tomorrow we don't know what will happen. It's better not to risk. We only risk in the high probable areas. Okay, so we only risk in the high probable areas. And also I saw some other streamers as well. So they were all in buy side. They were all sitting in buy side. Many streamers, many live traders today were sitting in the buy side. Maximum retailers, they made losses. Okay, brother. Okay, so you're done with your trade in London session, no problem, brother. But the risk was just 200 pips, and reward minimum 600 pips. Would have captured beautiful like 300 400 pips. 1:2 was so short over here. Okay, and also one thing I told you, if you guys remember, I told you one thing. What I told you? I told you there is liquidity lying around here. Okay, so just a moment. I'll first show you the message. Okay, so this was my first message that I provided you. Okay, so this was the exact screenshot which I provided you, the Telegram channel. And here you can see traders expecting a sell move from current levels. Be careful, liquidity resting above. Possible sweep before drop. Okay, I told you possible sweep before drop. So this was my message. And in my live stream, I explained you wait for a move. Okay, and again when price will retest, then you enter. Okay, so I mentioned you in the live stream. Okay traders, and always give me some concession. Okay, always give me some concession. Here you can see traders, our level was 85.89. okay, but the high was literally just 1 to 3 pips. Okay, so always give me concession of 2 3 pips, so you always manage your spreads. Okay, so already it's pinpoint, but you always manage your spreads. Okay, so you see 500 pips still running. So my expectations are until 50% over here. Okay, so you see 1200 pips and risk reward is 1:6. Okay, and also I told you if we are coming here, what's here, the target is 1:18. Okay, so very less probability. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So President Donald Trump's speech, we are not sure, and we don't trade news. Okay, usually we don't trade news, we only trade according to our market structure. Okay traders, anyone else? I'm figuring out to get USDT to trade real now. That's big problem now. Okay Namzi, do one thing, you can ping me on Telegram, so I'll find some way for you. You want to buy USDT, right? So if there is anyone who wants to sell their USDT, okay, so you can also ping me. So Namzi wants to buy USDT. If someone has USDT, someone wants to sell USDT. Okay, so that way we can do the transaction. That way we can complete the transaction. Okay. So please, if someone wants to sell their USDT, so they can also ping me. Namzi, you ping me. Okay. So I'll help you to buy USDT. Okay, okay, you ping me, brother. Ping me. You ping me on Telegram. I've already provided you my username somewhere here. Okay, you'll find out my username over here. So both of you ping me. So I'll be the mediator and we'll complete the transaction. Okay, so Arunav Das contributed us $10. Okay, and those who are contributing, so make sure you save the screenshot in your phone. Okay, so you save all the screenshots. Sure, sure, bro. You both of you message me. Both of you ping me. But the point is how much you want to buy. If AK has that amount, how much you need. That's important. What is your need? If AK has that quantity, then only we can complete that transaction. So these days around 5k. Okay, bro. Okay. So AK, you see, he wants to buy 5k. Do you have that much USD with you? US dollar with you? Anyone else who wants to sell their USDT? I have USDC, not USDT, if that works. Yeah, no problem, bro. We can convert USDC to USDT. Not a problem. Is that amount okay with you, 5K? Is that amount okay with you? Also, this will be a safe transaction. Okay, so you see already my accounts are freezed. So if you are trying to buy or sell on Binance P2P, so it's a big problem for you. Okay, so don't try to buy on Binance or any other exchange. So your account might get freeze. We'll check how much I have. Please check, bro. Please check. Namzi is also online. Please let him know. I only prefer from Binance or Trust Wallet. Not a problem, bro. Not a problem. I also prefer Binance. I also prefer Binance. And Trust Wallet is also owned by Binance. Okay. So Trust Wallet is also owned by Binance. Don't worry. We'll try to do this transaction on live. Okay. So everything will be smooth. Because these days, if you get wrong, blacklisted USDT, then you can't use it. Yeah, bro. Exactly. So AKPK will cross check. Please wait for some time. Let him reply. Okay, so we'll try to do this transaction live. Okay. So you guys also will not have any problem. So I'll also not have any problem. Okay. Because I'm the mediator. Because you see, usually what happens in Binance, when you buy the P2P, okay, so Binance is the mediator. So when the INR reaches the bank account, then USDT is released. Okay, so usually that is the process. And when you want to buy, for example, when you send the INR, then that USDT is released. Okay, so here we'll figure out a way. Both of you guys ping me. Okay, and I want to do this live with all the proof. Okay, because I don't want to get stuck with someone is a scammer. I don't know. I'm not telling you guys a scammer, but you see these days a lot of scams are happening. So we want to keep this transaction smooth. Okay, so I am the mediator. That's why I'm the mediator and we'll be doing it live. So because there is no option for you, that's why I'm doing it for you, Namsi. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else who took this entry? And here also you see traders, I provided this level in my afternoon live session. Okay. And you see, after this breakout, we were not able to break this level. No candle closing above this level. So from here also you had that sell opportunity. Come on, guys. 700 pips running, bro. 700 pips running. Come on, guys. What are you guys doing? Yeah. That's why, bro, Namzi. That's why. 740 pips running, bro. Come on, guys. You see, you have lot of opportunities. That's why you don't, you see, you don't do time pass now. You take our analysis seriously and you start earning money, okay? You just don't keep watching. You start earning money. Come on. Let's go. So we have news event. we have important speech now, FOMC member speech and President Trump speech. Okay, so that is why market is volatile, and market is showing its true color now. Bro, that's an entry strategy. AKPK, how much you have? At least you have 4K, 3K. It's okay. You can provide that amount of money to Namzi. Provide that amount, so at least he can start trading. And afterwards, you can provide him the rest. He wants to start live trading, so maybe you can provide him half, at least 2.5K, 3K at least, so he can start trading. Okay, he is missing his moves, so at least he can start trading till then. XM to XM, I have to cross check. I don't know. I have to cross check. XNES to XNES is possible. XNES to XNES is possible, but XM to XM, I don't know. I have to check. Let's have a look if we can do it. XM internal transfer. Oh, sorry, external transfer. XM does not allow external transfers between different client accounts. Funds can only be moved internally between your own verified trading accounts via WebTrader or XM app. So this option is available with XNES. Come on, bro. 1,000 pips done, bro. You don't have XNES account. Okay, it will be internal transfer. Yes, bro. Internal transfer. It's internal transfer, no external transfer. Vantage. Let me check Vantage. Page, bro. External. Vantage facilities external transfers primarily through wire broker to broker transfer. I'm ready. Vantage accepts funds transferred from other regulated trading accounts, provided both accounts are the same name. No, bro, no. Vantage also doesn't provide that option. Only XNES. Only XNES is the king. 1,000 pips done. AKPK, please confirm if you can provide him minimum amount 2K, 3K, if you can help him. Or else Namzi, you have to wait for few days. Anyone else who has USDT? Anyone else? So tomorrow afternoon stream. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Congratulations. It's market is too volatile, bro. This is our, you see, this is our first 1,000 pips on live stream. Yeah, yeah. Okay, bro. Okay. Sure, bro. Check your Coinbase account. And Namzi, sure, bro. Sure. You keep trying, and I'll also try to help. If someone has USDT, so Namzi wants to buy USDT. If someone wants to sell USDT, So we can make that transaction. Someone is interested in selling USDT, so please let us know. Amzi, you can also do bank transfer, bank deposit, UPI deposit. Yeah, yeah, got it, bro, got it. You trade micro futures and all. I know, bro. Should we start trading crude oil? I put multiple XAU USD because there was a price difference. Okay, with you see, this is ONDA, this is forex.com. So there was a price difference, so that's why I use these. So let's check crude. So should we start trading crude oil? Who else is watching? Who else is watching? Please let me know in the comment section. Who else is watching? Market hit the 38% level. Market can hit these levels below 50%, 61%. Okay, so we really don't know what's going to happen now. We have President Donald Trump's speech. Okay, 4:50 a.m. Asian session, early morning. Any doubts, any queries, traders? So we'll end this stream now. Okay, so any doubts, any queries? Any doubts, any queries? Is there anything that you don't understand? What is the major problem? Today we'll be coming exactly at the opening of the London session, 12:30, 12:30, 12 to 1 p.m. In between 12 to 1 p.m. If the market is, if we have opportunity, I might come at 11 a.m. also, 11 to 12 a.m. also. Depends on the market. But our usual general timings are London session, at the opening of the London session, that is 12:30. Anyone else? So Namzi, I suggest you to do UPI, bro. Bank transfer, I mean. So you have that option. Why you want to buy USDT? You can deposit the INR through bank transfer or UPI. Easily you can do the deposit. Any issues? I think you are comfortable with USDT withdrawals. Withdrawals. Which platform? You can go with XM, bro. XM is one of the one of the best platforms out there as of now. No, bro, no, it's not like that. Your account will be never freezed when you're working with. You see, XM is regulated, bro. XM is regulated. what happens, bro, in the P2P, peer-to-peer transaction, the peer-to-peer transaction, so there is a lot of black money. Okay, so there's a lot of black money. If the same person, you see, if there is a person named A, okay, and I am B, I want to I want to buy or sell USDT. For example, okay, I am B. I am B. So I want to buy USDT from this guy, A guy. Okay, so this is A and I am B. So I want to buy USDT from this guy. So what I'll do is I'll be sending INR to this person. Okay, I'll be sending INR to this person, and then he'll be sending me the USDT, right? So if that money is black money, if the money I'm sending is black money, so his account will be blocked. Okay, the same way, if I'm selling the USDT, if I have USDT, okay, so for example, let's say I am A and this person is B. Okay, so I want to buy I want to sell my USDT now. Okay, so I want to sell my USDT to this person. So this person will be sending me INR. So the money he's sending, if that money is black money, or if he sends money from another account, then my bank account will be freezed. Okay, my bank account will be freezed. So that's the problem, bro. It's because of the black money. With broker, you'll never ever face any issue, bro. I'm little apprehensive about XM. It is listed ban on RBI website. Is it? I don't think so, bro. I'm not in India, so I don't know how it will work. Uh, which thing, bro? Which thing? No, bro, it's not listed on RBI, bro. XM is legal for Indian residents to use as there is no specific Indian law prohibiting the use of offshore forex brokers, but it operates in a legal gray area because it is not regulated by India's SEBI or RBI. It's in gray area. It's not blacklisted. While Indian traders can legally open accounts, deposit funds, and trade on XM without facing prosecution, the broker lacks local regulation, meaning traders do not receive protection under Indian financial laws or dispute resolution mechanisms. You see, millions of people are using XM, so no one faced any issues until now. Okay, so there is no video available on YouTube. Global regulation: XM is regulated by international authorities like CY, SEC, ASIC, and the FSC of Belize. But these licenses do not extend to Indian jurisdiction. It's already regulated, bro. It's very known broker. XM is the largest broker as of now. After XNES, XM is the largest broker. If you want, I'll show you. You see, traders, I told you, XM is the number one broker. The license, business, risk control, software, everything is tip top. MT4, MT5 full license. AAA. Okay, so this is literally the best broker you can trade with, and it's already in business 50 already 20 years, bro. It's too old. It's not a new broker, bro. So you can rely on XM. I know, bro. I know someone who is in Dubai, met XM owner. I know it's legit, but the only problem is with our government rule, not get any videos pertaining. Hey, you go to the official RBI websites. All right, bro. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, the brokers. Okay, so this is Indian. Do you know the option on where to find? Where to check? So tomorrow I'll check. I'll cross check tomorrow. But until now, I haven't seen anyone complaining regarding XM. But yeah, there might be some issues. I don't know. And personally, me also, I haven't any. I haven't any. I haven't faced any issues yet until now. So tomorrow, you see, other traders also will be joining. So there will be someone who wants to sell his USDT. There are a lot of traders. You don't worry, bro. You see, here also price was struggling to go. Okay, struggling to break past this level to go bullish. Here also price was struggling. So from here also you can plan your sell entry. It totally depends on you, bro. Totally depends on you. Okay. If you follow accurate market structure, then you don't have to worry. Don't have to fear for losses. Okay, bro. Okay, I got your message. Let me check. Okay, XM. XM is there. This the alert list contains names of entities that are neither authorized to deal in forex under forex. Yeah, bro. Obviously, they are not authorized. Obviously, they are not authorized because you see, they are outshore regulated. Okay, they are regulated offshore. You see, they have even FTMO. They have everyone. Ava Trade, Dynamo, Xness also is there, bro. Now Xness is also there. See, Xness is also there. OctaFX is also there. OctaFX is also there. Tickmile is also there. MT4 is also there. MT5 is also there. Should I stop using it? We stop using MT4, MT5? Should I stop using Xness? Okay, no buy or no sell as of now. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. No buy, no sell as of now. Already we missed the move, bro. Already we missed the move. Here also you had an opportunity. You always keep an eye on all the levels that I'm marking. Always check the price action, bro. Always check the price action. You see, you always check the price action. Who is in control? Is it the buyers or the sellers? Who is in control? You see, after this selling, it's pretty simple. You see, this is the selling. This is the continuation. And here people were not able to break this level. Okay. See, rejection, rejection, and a rejection. You can always plan your trades accordingly. You must know who is in control. Okay. That's the problem. Sometimes I feel like to get out of country due to such so much restrictions. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. Same here. Same here. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Xness is also there, bro. So I'm using Xness from from the beginning of my career. I'm using Xness from almost the beginning of my career. I never faced any issues. With OctaFX also, I never faced any issues. Vantage is also there, bro. Funded Next is also there. Prop firm. FTMO prop firm is also there. FTMO is the number one prop firm. FTMO is the number one prop firm in the world. Don't worry, bro. Government they'll not do anything. They'll not do anything. You don't worry, bro. You go for it, bro. You deposit UPI, bro. What you can do is first you deposit $1,000 and you don't have to deposit the whole $5,000. Actually, the thing is I haven't explained you the strategy yet. So that is why you're thinking like that. So please wait till tomorrow. You'll change your mind. I guarantee you, you'll change your mind, bro. MZ, you'll change your mind. You don't have to deposit the whole capital. Please wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow, London session, I'll explain you the whole strategy. So then you'll change your mind. You'll never deposit the whole capital. I promise you on that. Okay, who else is watching? That is why a lot of traders are shifting towards Dubai, shifting to Dubai. Dubai, UAE, Saudi. Now, don't do anything, bro. So tomorrow we'll get connected. Okay, so AK, tomorrow you join. Namzi, you also join tomorrow. Okay, so we'll have a word tomorrow. All right. All right, traders. So nice talking to all of you. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay. We'll try to execute some trades tomorrow in the London session. Let's see what happens, how market performs. Okay. Any doubts, any queries? So I'm ending the stream right now. And Arunav Das is the first member to donate. Okay, Arunav Das, thank you for your donation. So make sure you save all the screenshots with you. Okay, so those who are donating, those who are serious members, serious traders, so I'll be providing mentorships for those traders. Okay, only serious traders and only serious contributors. Tomorrow I'll explain you, bro. Tomorrow I'll explain you with the minimum capital how you can build big money, big compounding, how you can compound your money each and every time, every single time. So you have to follow the plan. So I have made a blueprint. So that's why I was not available for 2 weeks. A lot of people, a lot of traders message me that they don't have capital to buy funded, they don't have capital to trade, they don't have enough capital. So with the lowest capital, how you can make big capital, how you can compound your money, and that too on a consistent basis. Okay, that too on a consistent basis with the help of few trades, with the help of just few trades. Okay, so that is our plan. So I'll explain you each and everything. Stay tight with me, hold tight. So tomorrow I'll catch you in the London session. Okay, so 12:30, and we are gonna miss the Asian move. Okay, so tomorrow, you see, today itself, it's day 26th. already 1 a.m. So within 40 minutes, we have FOMC member speech, and 4:50 a.m. just after the opening of the Asian session, we have President Trump speech, and the evening we have unemployment claims. Okay, so overall, very important trading day. So don't miss. Okay, traders. So any doubts, any queries? So I'm ending the stream. Thank you for all your likes. Thank you for all your love and support. Keep supporting me, and I'm here for you. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Tomorrow you'll come to know each and everything, bro. Just wait until tomorrow. London session. London session, big surprise for all of you. And this strategy, this entry technique will be revolutionary. I promise you on that. This will change your mindset. This will change your trading forever. You'll stop making losses. You'll start making profits. And strategy, you don't have to worry. I'm there for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry. It will take time. So you keep learning. Okay, and also keep earning. Right? All right, traders. See you tomorrow. So till then, peace out. Bye bye.